Okay, so I'm just going to be going over my daily bias for today. So as you can see here, we had a raid on sell side liquidity. Nice manipulation leg to the downside. Accumulation zone here, manipulation to take out the sell side liquidity, and now we've had a distribution higher. So I believe that this is also a market maker buy model. So once we take out the initial target, I think we could see a potential reversal for today. Now we have had a massive run overnight. It's currently 6 AM Eastern time, and we've had a run of 350 pips so far tonight, overnight. So I will be looking for a rebalance today. I think that that's quite a large move overnight. So I'd like to see this high here on the daily get taken out, which is actually a daily intermediate term high inside this BPR. Following through there. So I'd like to see us sweep this high here and then look for a reversal to the downside after sweeping this. We have a fair value gap here, which could be a potential target for today. After taking out this external draw, we could look for an external to internal range model. So this fair value gap right here looks like a great target for me. Another confluence to target this 4 hour is the fact that this 4 hour candle has no bottom wick, and the market likes to hunt candles that don't have bottom or top wicks, so I will be looking to take that out today. So that's one of my bearish targets. So my bias was initially bearish on the day. I want to see a reversal from this daily intermediate term high. However, price just failed to take this out and started to move lower. So I ended up flipping my bias. I wanted to see this 4 hour fair value gap taken out to then send price higher to take the daily intermediate term high out. So yeah, I ended up flipping my bias on this day. I would have taken this any other day. So as you can see here on the 4 hour chart, this was my target. I was looking for a reversal of this hourly intermediate term low here inside this fair value gap. We ended up closing below this and breaking structure to the downside. However, looking on the 4 hour charts, as I ended up waiting until 10 AM for this trade, this 4 hour candle has no bottom wick, so I was looking for price to foot in a bottom wick here, and it also lies inside a fair value gap on the 4 hour chart. So we've not only put in a 4 hour bottom wick, we've also filled this 4 hour fair value gap. And this blue line here is consequent encroachment of the new day opening gap. So as you can see, we've come down and tapped that as well. Now on the lower time frame, we also created an SMT at the lows, as well as sweeping out liquidity. So everything is just A+ here to take longs. Here we have my inversion model. So I got in longs straight off this high here, as soon as we got a bullish closure above this fair value gap. And then I was targeting higher price. I was targeting this daily. So after entering this trade, I was going to go break even at this high right here. I do believe it was this high. Maybe it might have been a different high. Not too sure. So I was going to go break even at this high here, and price just failed to come higher. And then my stop loss got hit. This is an A+ trade in my opinion. I would have taken this any day of the week. It's just a shame that Donald Trump just decided to talk and just made the market sell off and chop.